Assalamu alaikum. So today our topic is fractions, proper and improper fraction. So let's start the topic first. But before starting our topic, we have to know the definition of proper and improper fraction. So here is the definition of proper and improper fraction. So let's read it out. So here is the proper fraction. If the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called proper fraction, and if the numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. So here is the example of improper fraction. As you can see, a fraction has two parts, the upper and the lower part, or the top and the bottom. So the upper part is called the numerator and the lower part of the fraction is called the denominator. So as you know, if the numerator is larger than the denominator is called improper fraction. And here is the example of proper fraction. If the numerator, as you can see, if the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called proper fraction. Here is the worksheet through which you can identify the proper fraction and improper fraction. So let's start. Here is the fraction 20 by 50, in which you can see 20 is smaller than 50. So it's called proper fraction. Going to the next one, 11 by 8. So here is the numerator is larger than the denominator. 11 is bigger than 8. So that is why it's called improper fraction. Here is the numerator 18 is larger than the denominator. So that's why it's called improper fraction. Here is 9 by 10. Here is 9 numerator is smaller than the denominator. So which is why it's proper fraction. Here is 6 by 35. So here is numerator is also smaller and the denominator is bigger, which is why it's called proper fraction. And last, 14 by 20. So here 14 is the numerator. So numerator is smaller than the denominator, which is why it's called proper fraction. Allah Hafiz.